DAX offers you several functions to handle logarithm. You have ln to compute the natural logarithm, log10 to compute the logarithm with the basis of 10, or log to compute the logarithm with whatever basis you provide as the second argument. And finally, you have exp, which computes the exponential of a number. Let's see the result with an example. Here I'm generating a series of numbers from 1 to 25 with a step of 4, and I'm computing the natural logarithm, the logarithm with the basis of 10, the logarithm with the basis of 5, and finally the exponential of the value. And you see the results here. Let's take 25 for example. The natural logarithm is 322. The logarithm in basis 10 is 1.40, and the logarithm in basis 5 is 2, because 2 squared is 25. And finally, the exponential is quite a large number.